By doing these 5 things, you will unlock the power of practice. And in my book, practice is progress for your art journey. My number 1 tip for beating procrastination and perfectionism is to use a sketchbook. In a sketchbook, it's not expected to be a masterpiece. You take all that pressure off yourself. No one ever needs to see any of those pages, and they're just for you and they're just for practice. Number 2, do a color study. When you're out doing plein air, it's so easy to get overwhelmed. So simplifying it down just to the colors takes out drawing, perspective worries, all those things that we might get hung up on, and helps us to record just the memories and essence of the colors at a particular time of day. And this is a really powerful tool to have in your sketchbook. So number 3 is similar to that, is to do a texture study. Look around you and notice something you can touch and record that feeling. If it's the bark on a tree or the sand or a rough rock nearby or a smooth rock, take some time to record some texture notes. And again, that takes it out of recording everything in front of you and simplifies it down to something manageable. So my 4th tip is to be sure to use your camera. Be sure to record lots of photos of the area that you're wanting to study for your plein air sketch or painting, and give yourself permission to finish in your studio. That gives you the freedom to quit at any time. If the weather has changed, suddenly it is just too hot out here and you need to finish in your studio, that's perfectly fine. Sometimes I set the timer for 15 minutes and say, I'm just gonna record what I can of this scene in 15 minutes and give myself permission to finish in the studio. Number 5 is the hack that I use the most. It's kind of a mental hack. Remind yourself that any practice done, no matter how imperfect, is still progress and is better than a perfect painting that has never been started. I'm fascinated by the mental journey that I think all artists are on, so I would really love to hear from you. What are your hacks for beating procrastination and perfectionism as an artist? I'd love to hear it in the comments below.